I just at first showing you what is the aim of my project there. So without wasting time, I just directly go to the objective of the project. So basically, okay, okay, this is a objective to predict whether an employee leave the company. That means the attrition. Okay, based on the various features such as age, job satisfaction, salary. Okay, that means attrition, that means the employment status is my aim or target column, and the features should be our independent column like page, just satisfaction, salary, etc. So there is some steps given for this for the reference purpose. So I just directly go to the project. Okay. So where is my this is my VS code, Visual Studio code here. So this is my project. Just see this is the VS code. So at first I just set the environment. So normally if you want to do any project in the VS code, at first the first step is to create the environment here. So just see this is the code of the environment. Just see there is a conduct create minus p bnb 3.8 minus y, and this is the code for the activate the environment, and this is the install for the requirements. So the requirement should be this pandas numpy flat scikit-learn matplotlib keyboard, and this is used for the install the local packages. This is our local packages here. Okay, so I just see this is our whole data in CSV file. I just import the data in as a data frame. So just see this is the steps of so is the cdf.head, that is a total 5 rows and 36 column is here. So this type method using to see the count, mean, median, standard deviation, etc. And just see this is the 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile, and the max values. I just check the null values here. Just see there should be the 207 null values is here. At first we just drop the null values, see with the fill in a method, and we just erase all the null values. I'm just showing you that this is the graph regarding the different features. Just see, just check the outlier present or not. If the outlier, we just with the mean median mode method with the numpy, we just erase all the you can say the uh, outliers. Okay, so this is the outliers. So just see. Okay, you have to manage that. There is a correlation, that is some bar chart here. So I just see how the correlation is in all of the steps. So our main part is that come this file, that is ata.ip1v file. So before that I just showing that there is the exception.py module. Basically it is used why to handle the exception. Python in Python exception and is very important. Just see there is some steps I doing to get just see the message, error message. So in which line, which time, all of this you can get here from there. And also logger.pl just created for that. Just see the message as a message that when I just when just see just date time and just imported to see the year, month, hour, all of these things I'm doing in this project. All of these things I get as a single message. I'm just showing you there is the steps. See the data frame. Here you just see the data frame. df.columns. Any null value present or not. Okay. So just see 207 null values and standard deviation, count, mean, median, mode. All of these things I just see here. Okay. So at first we just delete on irrelevant column. I just drop it at first. Okay. And just go there and I just set your target. This is our target. This is X on irrelevant column and it is y dependent column here. Okay, that is the categorical features and numerical. That is the steps C, which is an object present. That is the categorical, and not equal to object. That is a numerical. You see, I just basically spread the separated the category and numerical. Okay. And this is the few steps you suggest see. Okay, basically in any project, let's see, I just import all the column inputter, simple imputer, column transformer and import the pipeline. Basically in a single click, I want to convert on the categorical value to the numerical value and with the obviously the scaling. So without scaling, so it should be the get the error when I do the trend state split method. Okay, so just see that is the steps. What I actually do in the ordinal categories, exit full limits, needs improvement, PIP, all of these things. Basically, the attributes in the particular column of the performance score. So like that, I just divided that. It means the 0, 1, 2, 3 like that is actually just forget the output in a numerical way. It is just divided like that 0, 1, 2, 3. For the it is basically when just complete these steps automatically it that provided us. Okay. So in the column transformator, simple imputer that means the scaling purpose, standard scale is for the numerical value, a numerical column, and the ordinal column is used for the ordinal column. Okay. Okay, so these steps we just the just convert the all the numerical data to the categorical data. So that is the pipeline. Okay, so with the help of the pipeline, you see we just change all the ordinal columns to a numerical column. Okay, so and from the numerical column, what can we do? We just scale the data with the help of the simple imputer. Fine. So next step, what we can do after finishing these steps, we just with the help of the sklearn modern selection with the train, test and spell it, we just pass the value for the x and y. We are basically this is the x train and this is our y train. So in a x train that is a 233 and for the test that is only 78. Okay. So what is the shape of the data? You can see in the past. So you just see the shape is divided in the two part. Okay, one is the x train, one is the x test. So what is the y train? Y train basically is a target variable. So voluntary, terminated, active like that. And what is this transformer? So when I just run it, so after that we just write down the object and again run. So you can easily find out. You just make the pipeline. That means with these steps in a single click you can do the all steps and you can find out there is a transformer and we can see the pipeline. Just see in the numerical pipeline there is a simple imputer standard scalar. For the ordinal encoder there is a simple imputer ordinal encoder and pass through for the remainder. So what is this? Actually we scale the train data. So for the scale the train data we just fit transform method with the transformer object. Okay, and pass the extend and at the same way also from the xtest. You just see after that we just convert the extend data and extend test data to a data frame. So after the data converting you can see this is this like just see there is a data frame of the extend. Just see the huge changes in a original data frame there is a all numerical value and categorical value mix. Just see in this only the numerical value 0 1 0 1 like that, and it is totally converted from the numerical value. And what is my y? Because it is a regression model, so that means the this should be our output with the predicate of the x. So you just come here without wasting the time. I just showing you. Actually, what can I do? You just see and analyze that what should be our output. So it should be active or terminated for cause or voluntary terminated. So with the x values, so total 8 features in our x. So with 8 features, we just predict the our perfect output. Okay, that is a predicted output. So which is our perfect? As a data analyst, we perfect which gives our the best accuracy. That should be our perfect model. So just see there is at first use the support vector machine SVM. So what is there? Just see the accuracy score 94% there. Okay, the accuracy score of the k-neighbors classifier, that is a 94% also, and we see there is a decision tree classifier used and use also the random forest. So we just see what can I do here. We just print the model name according with your accuracy score. So in k-neighbor classifier, when they use the object kn and predict method and just see there is a total 8 input, automatically they are giving the output. That means our model will goes well. That is a very fine model from my side. So what can I do is just see how to deploy the code. So if you want to deploy the code, we have to convert into a pickle file. So this is our pickle file. I import that and dump our kn, only this kn, that means the object of the k-neighbors classifier. So I just dumped the model, and after that again I just checked there is a output should be come. Okay, so now what is the next step? You have to just go to the app.py file and also create that your index.html from the template folder, and you can easily deploy it. So I just showing you this method also. Created. This one is automatic created. So what is this? Basically, with this we can access all the data. Okay. Now, okay, I just forgot to tell that you always just logger file you have to just use in any project, because when date, time, and when you are doing the steps, that is come to this folder when you created the logs files. Okay, now you can directly come to app.py. So what is the app.py? Just see there, I import the Flux, import pickle module. Okay, so what I say here, at obviously one things you have to create, that is the templates folder. What is the templates folder? In the templates, that is the HTML file. Here you just create a HTML file. Okay, so I just showing you. Okay, okay, that is the templates folder, and that is the index.html. So what is this? Just see total 8 number of features I just imported here. Okay, actually I have to keep some value of the inputs, that is independent features. Based on that I get output, that is our dependent features, right? So basically just see salary, term, position, term, reason, department, performance score, employee satisfaction, absence, all is my independent features. I just put there. And what is the HR analysis, my project name. Okay, then I just created this HTML folder, and this templates folder I have to use in the app.py, because app.py, what is the app.py? Just see, in a Flux basically there is a method. Okay, I just at first just templates folder, that is a path I given for the access. Okay, that is a model path, and this model path I use to pickle that float. Okay, and it is a read byte mode. Okay, what is the app.route? With this route, that means we just uh, when you just see the applying or in the folder, or you can see when you deploying the code in route method, basically help you to create. Just see, I just showing you what is route. A view function register the given URL, false the URL name. Okay, just see. Okay, okay, the endpoint name of the route defaults to the name of the view function, and endpoint parameter is passed. The methods parameter should be get and get hidden after it automatically. That means what this I at the rate, that is a decorator at the rate app dot route slash what I say, and define a function home and return the render template index of HTML. That means the what I created right now, no, index.html in the templates folder. So again, that is another method I use is the predict. Okay, and method should be the post. Okay, then what I do, there is a int features. What is the features? Int x for x in requisite from the values. What is the values of the x, that is the independent features first I given that. Then the final features should be converted to the array np.array, all the int features. Then the predictions model dot predict final features. So what I converted to the array, okay, we have to predict that one final features, because all the things I converted to the array, and this array I will predict. Okay, and what is the output? Output should be 0 and this two. And what is the return data template? Index.html employee status is dot format output. So when I deploying, so I just showing you what you just see here. Just a minute. Okay, so I just Python app .py. So when you just do that, now you can see automatically URL is created. Okay, so this is our URL. When you click that, you see HR analysis, salary, term, position, term, department, performance, employee satisfaction, absence. All you just put as a numerical value automatically. When you just click the predict button, automatically you get the score or get the result, that is active or voluntary retire or something. So suppose I this is a 20,000, term 2, position suppose 4, because you see when I see the ordinal encoder, it is converted 0 1 2 3 4 like that. So that's why I just taken the value like that now. So department should be this, this absence should be 0. When you just get a predict method, just see the employee should be active when you predict. Okay, again you change that to, I don't know what is it. So again send the active. Okay, no issue. Okay, this what I predict, that one I use first. Okay, this should be have to use. One, zero, one, zero, one, zero, zero. Okay, fine. Is deleted. Let's see the predict. Just see this changes to the data. So we can see our model is fine and with the good result. So that's why I accept this. We can consider. Okay. So that is our project. So basically, K-Neighbors classifier we just use and we just get the good result. Okay, that's it. So I just completed this project, and let's say I want to see to create a CI/CD pipeline like that. Thank you.